Hello class 8. In the previous video, I explained you simple interest. Now today I am explaining compound interest. So what is compound interest? Normally the interest paid or charged is never simple. In simple interest, the principal remains constant for the whole loan period. However, in practice, the method according to which banks, post offices, insurance companies and other financial institutions calculate interest is different from one given above. These institutions calculate the interest for 1 year, then the yearly interest is added to the principal and the amount so obtained is treated as the principal for calculating the interest for the second year and so on. This process is repeated until the amount for the whole loan period is found. The difference between the final amount and the original principal is called the compound interest. Compound interest in short is written as CI. Now see the question of 8.2 exercise. Question number 1. Calculate the compound interest on rupees 6,000 at 10% per annum for 2 years. Now here the principal is 6,000, rate is 10% and the time is 2 years. So first of all, for the first year, we'll find out the interest. For first year, interest is equals to P into R into T upon 100 as you have used in 8.1 exercise. The principal is 6,000 and the rate is 10%. Time we are taking out for 1 year, so time is 1 year upon 100. Now these two zeros are cancelled by these two zeros, and if we multiply 60 and 10 we get 600. This is the interest for first year. Now to find out the amount at the end of first year, it is equals to 6,000 plus 600, which is equals to 6,600. Now this is the principal for second year. So principal for second year is rupees 6,600. Rate is same. R is equals to 10%. And for second year the time is also 1 year because we are taking out the interest for 1 year only. Now here the interest equals to principal is 6,600 multiplied by rate multiplied by time upon 100. These two zeros are cancelled by these two zeros, and if we multiply 66 by 10 we get 660. This is the interest for second year. So the amount at the end of second year is 6,600, which is the principal of second year, plus the interest for second year is 660 or 160. So if we add these two numbers, we get 7,260. Now to find out compound interest, this is equals to final amount minus the original principal. Final amount is 7,260 and the original principal is 6,000. So the compound interest is rupees 1,260 or 1,260. Now I am explaining question number 6. Question number 6 is calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 5,000 for 2 years when the rate of interest for the successive years is 6% and 8% respectively. The method to solve the question is same as you have done in question number 1, but here the rate of interest for 2 successive years are different. For first year the rate of interest is 6% and for the second year the rate of interest is 8%. So first of all we'll find out the interest for first year. This is for first year. Interest is equals to P, as you know the formula. I am not writing the formula again and again. I am just putting the value 5,000 into rate of interest for the first year is 6% into 1 upon 100. 20 cancel by 20. If we multiply 50 by 6, we get 300. So the interest for first year is 300. So amount at the end of 1 year is equals to 5,000 plus 300. Now this is equals to rupees 5,300. Now this is the principal for second year. Now to find out the interest for second year, interest equals to principal is this for second year. So 5300 multiplied by rate of interest for second year is 8%. So we'll write down 8 over here multiplied by 1 upon 100. Now 20 cancel by 20, and if we multiply 53 by 8, we get 424. Because 5 3s, 8 3s are 24, carry 2, 8 5 are 40 and 2, 42. This is the interest for second year. Now, so amount at the end of 2 years is principal, that is 5300 plus 424, which is equals to rupees 5,724. So we have to find out the amount also. So this is the answer of first part of the question. Now we have to find out compound interest also. So compound interest equals to amount minus principal. Amount is equals to 5724 minus 5,000 equals to rupees 724. This is the interest for second year. I hope you have understood the explanation of these two questions. So it will help you to solve the question of 8.2 exercise.